Hello and welcome to a new video where we are drawing some beautiful pictures, by the way colorful pictures, on rainbow scratch paper. So let us begin with the picture of an ant. Ant is very small, but we are drawing the picture of the ant in a comparatively bigger size. So we zoom into the hands and legs of the ant, so the face of the ant is also very clear here. Now we can move to our second picture. Here is the picture of a pig, and this pig is wearing a crown. So this pig is a prince. Sometimes we can also call this prince pig as an angel. So this pig has got two wings to fly, and this angel prince pig has got a magic wand in his hand. Okay, very good. Now we can move to our next picture. This is the picture of a flower. When we draw flowers on rainbow scratch paper, it becomes very beautiful because the flower's petal will have various colors, rainbow colors, and that looks awesome. Okay, so you can draw as many flowers on rainbow scratch paper if you have one. So try different types of flowers and those flowers will definitely look very beautiful. Rose flower, dahlia, tulip, any kind of flower drawn on this rainbow scratch paper looks very awesome. And this is the next picture. In this picture we are drawing the picture of a girl. We're drawing a girl, and this girl is playing in the playground. So one question for you: do you all like playing in the playground with your friends? Very good. This girl also likes playing in the playground. Now we move to our next picture. There's a Superman. Do you like Superman? How is the costume of Superman? There should be an S in the front side of his costume, so we have written that, and around the S there is a diamond-like shape. We have drawn that as well, and we have to draw a smiling face. Okay. Then we move to our final picture in this video. This is the picture of a girl with a flower in her hand and dancing. So this girl is very happy dancing with the flower. So we have to give a smiling face that is drawn there. And there is the flower in her hand. We are drawing that. Now we can draw her skirt and all other details of this picture. Okay, so as you draw using this rainbow scratch paper's scratching pen, picture looks very beautiful. The dress or the skirt is in different colors, as you can see.